All right, YouTubes. I gotta head up to the mountains here and fix an ice maker. Kind of in between storms. We've been getting pelted by the monster storms. And man, there's piers broken in the ocean, trees down everywhere. So we'll see if we can get up here and fix this ice maker. And I'll bring you guys along for the journey. I got to replace the water pump in it for sure, and we'll have to see what else is wrong with this ice maker. It's a Manitowoc, and we'll get up here and check it out. And we're getting ready for the next little set of rain. I think we get a break tomorrow. Is Sunday we get a break, and then we get a bunch more rain on Monday. It's gonna dump like hell's bells.
And then you'll see the water inlet solenoid valve blew apart also, which makes this unit a multiple offender. There's a new one ready to go.
And storm has started, the Saturday night version. I don't know if you can see the river right there or not. Let's see. Get a shot. River's filling up. And we'll head back. Letting the H10 warm up. Got a 13-year-old true two-door here. It has a leak. All right, check the whole bottom, it's good. And then the top, I'm getting a hit up here at the evaporator section. There. Yep. Leaky coil. What are you thinking? Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.